Hey YouTube, this is LegoCraft7858 with, well, not another, but my first Animal Jam video. And today we're going to be playing Falling Phantoms. I've been doing Minecraft videos previously, but I couldn't upload them because I have a really crappy recording thing. But yeah, hopefully I can win a bunch of gems. So just enjoy, and yeah. And in one of my next YouTube videos, or Animal Jam videos, mm, I think I will be visiting Tori Tai Tai's den, mm, and is uh she is an awesome Animal Jammer, mm, and I really recommend to go to her place. And she has an awesome YouTube account, and it's Tori Tai Tai AJ. Subscribe, and well, subscribe to me as well. But it's awesome. So if you subscribe, be sure to tell her that I sent you there. And yeah, I'm sort of trapped here. I just won. That's just awesome. And after Tori Tai Tai's den, I think I will upload a Minecraft video of one of my homemade Minecraft maps, which will be really neat because I will show you multiple maps at the same time because I don't make them that big because I don't have the time all at the same time. And yeah, I just died. And I won. So just a sneak peek. My first one, my first Minecraft map will be of a pirate ship that, well, I think is really neat, but you may disagree. And hope you like my videos, and well, if you like them, and hopefully you could subscribe. My I have a separate account. I have this account, LegoCraft7858, and LegoCraft4598, just for different types of videos, because my first video, well, this account will be for like video games, and my other one will be for like recorded TV shows, so like Pokemon, well, mostly anime, but sometimes I'll do like some normal like TV shows or something like that. But I will be mostly showing anime. And if you would like, if I get 50 likes on this video, I will make a video. I will make a Lego giveaway video of one of my homemade Lego MOCs, and hopefully you'll enjoy them. But first I will like review them before I will show them, or not show them, but give them out to the public. So yeah, I think we'll wrap up this video after like I hopefully win. Yeah, but that will be all.